Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter number 7 of IED, and chapter name is poverty. So first of all, we will learn meaning of poverty. Poverty is the inability to fulfill the basic requirement of life. The minimum requirement include food, clothing, housing, education, and health facilities. If these minimum needs are not fulfilled, man undergoes pain and suffering. There is loss of health and efficiency. Sickness and disabilities render him helpless in all walks of life. Generation after generation, he lives in poverty, grows in poverty, and dies in poverty. So poverty bleeds or multiplies itself. So in India, this is the biggest problem of our country, and that is poverty. Most of the people are living in below poverty line. So there are basically two types of poverty. One is relative poverty and second one is absolute poverty. So now we will discuss how these poverty will be calculated. So relative and absolute poverty. Relative poverty and absolute poverty are the two variants of poverty. And first of all, we will discuss regarding these two, that is relative poverty and absolute poverty. Relative poverty. It refers to poverty across different classes, region or countries. The country or class of people whose level of living is low is treated as poor or relatively poor in comparison to the country or class of people having high level of living. So if we will compare our country, so India is one of the developing country and our living standard is comparatively low as compared to developed country. So we can take example of European countries. Okay. Relative poverty is also interpreted in terms of inequality of income within the country. So you can feel in our country there is inequality of income in all the people. For example, in India, share in the national income of 20% of people at the bottom is barely 8.1%, while that of 20% of people at the top is 45.3%. So in India, 20% people who are rich, they are contributing 45.3% of total national income. Okay, so our income is relatively very less. So we will be considered relative poor country when we will compare our country with other developed country. And now we will discuss about absolute poverty. In India, the concept of poverty line is used as a measure of absolute poverty. Poverty line refers to the cutoff point in terms of per capita expenditure, and that divides people of a region as poor and non-poor. So non-poor can be considered as rich also. In India, person who spends rupees 816 on consumption in rural areas and rupees 1000 in urban areas per month are treated as those below the poverty line. So that means the persons who are spending 816 rupees or less than 816 rupees in rural area and 1000 rupees and less than 1000 rupees in urban area, they will be considered as poor. Based on the new official poverty line in 2011-12, poverty rate in India is estimated to be 21.9%. And in terms of the total number of absolute poor, 21.9% in India covers over 50% of the absolutely poor in the world.